Hello friends! Today I'm introducing the AE86 remote control car. A 1.16 scale 4WD high-speed racing vehicle designed for endless fun. Modeled after the iconic AE86, this RC car features a multi-link suspension, allowing you to adjust the front and rear wheel angles for a realistic racing experience. Equipped with cool headlights that you can control remotely, it's perfect for driving day or night, adding a dynamic and realistic touch. The flexible speed control lets you switch between high and low speeds with ease, making it great for both beginners and pros alike. The car also includes locked rotor protection and a battery circuit board with overcharge and low voltage protection, ensuring safety during every ride. With a 2.4 GHz remote control, enjoy stable, interference-free control from up to 50 meters away. Get ready to race in style with the AE86 remote control car, the ultimate gift for kids and racing enthusiasts.